Hi everybody, David Dilling from Markzware. Today we're going to show you how to make a frame or how to generate a frame in Canva. There's tons of options. Let's go check it out. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a new design. We'll just do a poster. And you can have all different sizes. You can use templates. You can add all different types of templates. Just choose one and use it. I'm going to do Command Z or this undo button here. We're just going to show you how to do frames. So the first thing you could do is actually under elements, you can search for frames. And you can search for frame lines, and that will be like that. Or you can do regular frame. You could choose from Pro or just basic. You can choose rectangular borders, which are also like frames. Of course, a border is actually a frame. Maybe you're looking for something more like for photos, like this one. So there's our different frame options. And what you can do, you can go back to elements, and you can search for anything you want, like flags. You can put a flag in here, and what you can do, you just take it by the frame, and you resize it to be the size of the frame, and then you say position backward. And I see the frame on top. Another thing, you can use your own custom uploads that you've uploaded. So we can put Markzware logo in this frame, for instance. Go to Google Drive, which we also have connected. We could add like this one in and put that in this frame. And you can resize frames by grabbing the sides. You can position them how you like. Use your arrow key for more specific fine-tuning. And that's how you can create frames in Canva. There's many other ways. You can make custom frames, line frames. You can then get all different types of framing options to make more specific sizes and what have you. So there's all types of ways to make frames in Canva. Just have fun, use the elements, search for frames, and get started. Now what we can do with this frame, we can then take it and we can export it as a high-resolution PDF for print. We can download that. And a lot of people like to use their Canva designs in the Adobe world. So now we can take that PDF and we can drop it on our PDF marks, which will give us a full preview of the PDF and give us conversion options. So now we see our frames, and we can then click export or convert to InDesign or convert to Affinity Publisher. And just with the click, you take your PDF, you click Affinity Publisher, and off your Canva design goes, opening up an Affinity Publisher for you. Look at that. So now I get everything in there, the individual elements. The frames are now individually located in my Affinity Publisher in this case, and the same would apply in Adobe InDesign. So Canva to InDesign, Canva to Affinity Publisher, also possible with the PDF marks. But back to why we're here. Now another way to add a frame, just real quick here, which is kind of neat. If we create a new poster here, of our images down here, for instance, take the PDF marks there, PDF to InDesign, which you just saw, and then you can go, what you do here is click on Edit Image. It's right up top here. Boom. Now what you get is this one right here. You see recently used frames because I just used it, but if you scroll down, you'll see the frames and a lot of other options too. So here's frames. You click See All. You get all the different frames. So give it like a neon pink, which kind of matches the icon color, or you can give it a gold circle, which might be kind of funny, or you can give it a film look like that. I kind of like that one. So then we have the frame. That's how easy it is to add a frame to an image just by clicking Edit Image in Canva. For more information, cruising over to canva.com. For more information on the Markzware products, cruising over to markzware.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please. Please subscribe and join our mailing list. All right, everybody. David Delaney from Markzware wishing you a fantastic day.